Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Ria Money Transfer account. Let's get into it. First, sign into your account. The first step is to log into the app or the website using your secret details. You need to be inside your own profile to tell the company you want to leave. Open the Ria app and type in your name and your secret password. Click the button to enter your main screen where all your money history is kept. This is the start of everything because the company needs to be 100% sure that it is really you asking to close the account. You have to be logged in so the system knows which specific files to remove. Without this step, anyone could try to close your account, so this keeps your information safe while you start the process today. Next, find the profile or settings area. You need to find the specific corner of the app where your personal information and account choices are stored. Look for a small icon that looks like a person or a gear in the corner of your screen. Click on the Profile or Account Settings link to see the list of things you can change. Because the Delete button is usually tucked away inside these menus to prevent accidental clicks. This menu is where all the main switches for your work are kept. It ensures you are looking at the right set of tools before you make the big decision to remove your account forever. Next, contact the support team. Now you need to send a message to the people who run the app to tell them to delete your data. Look for a button that says Help or Contact Us. Pick the choice to send an email or start a chat, and type a simple note saying you want to close your account. For safety reasons, a computer often cannot delete everything on its own. A real person usually has to check that you don't have any money waiting to be sent before they close the doors. And that's it. To delete your account in Ria, you must first sign into your account to prove who you are. Then, you find the settings area to look for the help tools. Next, you contact the support team and ask them to close the account for you. Finally, you confirm your choice and wait for the final message. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.